Hi there, it's Rich from Advanced in Car. Today we've been working on a 2014 Mercedes A45 AMG. Fitted a Ghost Immobiliser to it, and we're now just going to demonstrate what the car does when you start it without its code, and then I'll pop in the test code that we've done for today and show you it working. Right then, so I'm now just going to try and start the car. Starts up, put it into drive, and the car is now immobilised and turned off. Cycle the ignition. Ignition's on. I'm going to put in my code, and I'll get a little indicator. There we go, 2 beeps to say it's recognised it. Start the engine, pop it into drive, and the car's happy to drive off, and away we go. It's nice and simple, works really effectively. And obviously once you've changed your code to a code that only you know, your car is nice and secure. So if you're interested in having this fitted to your car, get in touch with us through the website and we'll be happy to help.